Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add newsletter to your Shopify store. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be in Shopify, and what you want to do is just add section here and then promotional newsletter. And then we gotta see like, okay, add newsletter. And now when we have it here, we can have like, okay, subscribe to our newsletter, promotion new product, and email address, right? So we have it here. So someone would go like right here, I don't know, Marcus Gmail, subscribe. I'm not a robot, submit, right? Now when we have it, what I should see here is when I'm going to refresh the website, I got it here, the customer. So we see it here, the customer came from newsletter, and we got my Gmail here and everything. So what can I do is go to marketing now. I can click create a campaign, Shopify email to send them. I'm going to also try something here. So widget the Shopify App Store. And now we got like, okay, which one you actually want? You can actually choose selling product or just something for you, or sales and soon, or I don't know, update, gift card. You can really choose what you want. So let's go start of the Black Friday. Let's select this. You can also edit this as you want. Now we can send it to all our subscribers with subject coming soon, whatever, preview text, buy now. It's like up to you what you choose, right? And then you can simply edit. Don't miss out the savings. Okay, special for our products. Use code spring sale. You need to also like create the discount here, the discount code spring sale, so people would actually use it and simply make it happen, right? So spring sale, check out the best deals. Okay, and I can link it if I want to. And these things are really simple, right? I don't know if I should like give you more things, because these are really simple. So you can also change the discount here to winter sale even, and look what will happen. It will automatically change. This is amazing, right? So then, okay, we have it here, we have it here. We can send test. We can see how it looks on mobile. And you need to have like a paid Shopify plan, but this is how we do it, right? And if you have any questions, guys, okay, and this was created and I don't want it here, or I don't want also this one here, and yeah. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Then you just review it and send the email and you're good to go. Have a great day and goodbye.